7 is going to be.
Asuntoskäyttiö ja Rietinharju.
Yeah, thank you. Harju Lappeenranta. Not sure if this was the one we filmed
Yeah.
like 5 years ago, but
Yeah.
no, it's actually
Yeah.
maybe 7 years ago.
Yeah. In 2002, 871,483.
Oh, it wasn't modernized actually.
Yeah, it was added later.
Oh. Very simple automatic doors.
Yeah.
Looks exactly the same as those mini doors.
Yeah.
Early 2000s modernizations.
Yeah.
The Kone elevators.
5 Porsche 400 kilograms. And this building has the newest Kone Novel elevators in Finland, but the inside the buttons are M series, but outside there are Novel and floor indicators are Novel also.
Yes, and these are the indicators that are supposed to be at the call station.
Yeah.
Not in the cab. They have also the speakers for the chime, but it's not in use.
Yeah. This there's robot hydraulic.
Yes. But these newer hydraulics are quite quiet
Yeah.
compared to the 70s and 80s ones,
Yeah.
or even 90s. Or actually 1993 it was already like this,
Yeah.
like at the Halonen store. Rietinkatu. But it's good for apartment building. It's quiet.
Yeah.
Are we going out?
Yeah, you can press. Or we can, yeah.
There's actually
Because-
no point in it.
Yeah. But yeah, they're not at the ground floors.
Is there actually nets?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah,
Or
or not, but
going there?
yeah,
well, you can see the elevator a bit.
yeah,
So yeah, I did later.
yeah,
Pretty nice idea.
yeah.
And completely with automatic doors. Because usually these kind of elevators don't have automatic doors.
Yeah.
They're like with doors and those manual doors. There to see a bit the elevator going.
Yeah,
The holes. Well, not anymore.
yeah. But it should have also outside floor indicators, but unfortunately not.
Yeah.
That's